Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is another innovation which helps students to learn chemistry effectively in 3 Nigerian languages apart from English. It also helps teachers to teach chemistry topics effectively, since research has revealed that language constitutes barrier to effective teaching and learning of science. Generally, students in large numbers don't do well in sciences, especially at secondary school level, not because science is difficult, but because the language of instruction, which is English, is difficult. So with this digital tool, it is named Chemistry in Your Pocket. Students can learn chemistry in English, in Hausa, or in Yoruba, or in Igbo. These are 3 major spoken languages of Nigerian students. We have 3 geographical regions in Nigeria. South have Yoruba language as their major spoken language. Northern part of Nigeria have Hausa as their major spoken language. Southeast part of Nigeria has Igbo as their major spoken language. So this is the app for the first timer who have not downloaded it. With a click on the link here, it takes you straight to the website page. You can see how beautiful it is designed. The name of this chemistry teaching learning app is Chemistry in Your Pocket, CIYP. It is designed to making the learning of chemistry easy, because language shapes education. Students can learn chemistry in any of these languages. So this is how it is. For the first timer, with a click on download, it will be downloaded on any smartphone. God's willing, I have it already. The app here in blue and white, CIYP. With a click on it, this is the interface. This is where students can choose a language. For now, it is in English. You can see everything displayed in English language. Everything displayed in English language. With a change in language from English to Hausa, you can see everything here displayed in Hausa language. Everything. With a change from Hausa to Igbo, let's see. You can see everything changed. With a change from Igbo to Yoruba, everything will also change. All the write-ups here will change. Let's go back to English. This app has beautiful features. From the button here, you have home, you have topics. This is all the topics. If you don't want long journey, if you are interested in seeing any of SS1 or SS2 or SS3 topics, with a click here, you see those topics that are for SS1 students. With a click here, you see topics that are for SS2 students. With a click here on SS3, you see topics that are for SS3 topics. So let's see. Students can decide with a click. Let's choose this nuclear chemistry SS3 topic. This is this. Everything broken into pieces in a very, very simple language that even a child of 5, 6, 7, or even 10 years can understand without struggling. to knowing the meaning of words used. You can see. And look at it. After every topic, there are key points for every topics to help the students learn better. After this, another very interesting aspect of this app is that it connects every topic to students' real-life experience. You can see. Also, after every topic, there is a quiz. Students can decide to test his or her understanding of the topic by pressing here, start a quiz. You can see which of radiation is stopped by a paper. So, then, briefly, I don't want the video to be long. You have series of quiz to take at the end of every topic. Then, if a students wish to just listen to the audio explanation without reading, it is as simple as that. By pressing read aloud here.
Nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry deals with the nucleus of atoms, radioactivity, nuclear reactions, and their applications. Radioactivity, spontaneous disintegration of an unstable nucleus, emitting particles, rays and energy.
So that is that. If a student changes language from English to Hausa, like I've said, everything is the same topic, nuclear chemistry, radioactivity. You can see every write-ups here has changed from English to Hausa language. The same thing, at the end of every topic, you have the topics summarized, key points of the topic, and then you have it connected to students' real-life experience. The same thing, quiz here. A student can take the quiz in Hausa language. Let's go back. Just like I've said, a student can decide not to read, but just listen to audio explanation. With a click here.
Kimiyyar nukiliya. Kimiyyar nukiliya tana mu'amala da nucleus na atoms, radio ina amali, halayen nukiliya, da amfaninsu. Radio ina
If I change the same topic, if I change from Hausa to Igbo now, let's see the write-up. Everything will change, including the real-life experience. Yes, including the quiz. If I change from Igbo to Yoruba, everything will change. Everything will change, including the quiz. So, going back to English briefly. Back. After topic, you have charts, AI charts. A student can decide to ask any question. Maybe after reading a particular topic, if there is a gray area, the student needs a further clarification. With a type here, anything you ask, let's say, what is nuclear chemistry? Question mark. Wow, the answer is ready. You can see how it broken. In fact, it will even be given in a more detailed manner than you have it in the main body of the topic. So the same thing, if just like I've said, if a student changes language from English to any of these languages, let's say Hausa, with AI chemistry tutor, everything will change to Hausa language. So it is very easy for students who choose to study in any languages I just mentioned now, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo, to use the AI to ask the question. Let me say, minene atom. Minene atom. Meaning, what is atom? You see the explanation? Atom, waton, atomy, ita, kaiwa, ta. All these are explanations of the question I just asked AI in Hausa language. So, briefly, let's go back to English. This is all about chemistry AI tutor. You also have a progress report. After the students have a feature here that give the detailed progress report of every topic covered. You can see overall progress, topic covered, quizzes taken, average scored, and the likes of it. It will give it topic by topic as chosen. Then finally, you also have about the app, Chemistry in your pocket, app owner Abdulkadir Adamanda. About this app, it is having a target users, SS1 to 3 students and teachers, and all this blah 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 blah, all for this, like I've said, in 3 major spoken languages of Nigerian students. Another very important aspect of this is that even students from 12 African countries can use this app, or I will say they have already started using this app for over 15 months that this app is has been on viral. 12 African countries like Niger, Sudan, Benin, and the likes of about 12 African countries. Those countries have Hausa as their major spoken languages. So their students there have been sending good testimonies on how this app have been so helpful to them. We are not there yet, but to continue to do our best. So very soon, I'm already working on the physics aspect of the science subjects, so that the way students can select language here for study, it will be the same thing. A student can decide to select chemistry or physics to study, so that at the end of it, this app will change its name from Chemistry in Your Pocket to Science in Your Pocket. All we are doing is to remove this barrier that hinders students from learning sciences, particularly Nigerian students and students from African countries. God bless you, and thank you very much.